Hi folks, my name is Raju. Welcome to my YouTube channel Data Raj. Friends, I have collected for you 500 data science interview questions and its answers. It's a great news for you. At one place, you are getting 500 data science interview questions and answers. If you attend any data science interview, 95% they will ask questions from these 500 questions only. Moreover, they will ask about your projects and roles in the projects. I have covered questions from statistics, all machine learning algorithms, supervised, unsupervised, and question from NLP and deep learning. If you prepare all this question, it's enough for you attend the interview, guys. The questions like this: what is the central limit theorem and why it is important? What is sampling? How many sampling methods do you know? What is the difference between the type 1 and type 2 error? What is linear regression? What are the assumptions for linear regressions? What is data science? List the difference between the supervised and unsupervised algorithm. What is bias, variance, trade-off? What is a confusion matrix? We have to explain confusion matrix in detail. What is correlation and covariance in statistics? What is p-value? What are the difference between overfitting and underfitting? What is regularization and why it is useful? Explain how a ROC curve works. What is TF-IDF factorization? Difference between the univariate, bivariate and multivariate analysis. What are the eigenvector and eigenvalues? What is machine learning? What is supervised learning? What is unsupervised learning? What are the various classification algorithm? Explain SVM algorithm in detail. Explain decision tree algorithm in detail. What is logistic regression? State an example when you have used logistic regression recently. What is recommendation system? How can you treat the outliers? During analysis, how do you treat missing values? Describe in brief any type of ensemble learnings. Ensemble learning is a very important question in the interview. If you are having 4 GB RAM in your machine and you want to train your model on 10 GB dataset, how would you go about this problem? Have you ever faced this kind of problem in your machine learning and data science experience so far? Questions like this. Questions from deep learning. What do you mean by deep learning? What is the difference between machine learning and deep learning? What is reinforcement learning? What are the artificial neural networks? Describe the structure of ANNs. What are the different layers on CNN? How does an LSTM works? What is a MLP? Explain gradient descent algorithm. What is vanishing gradients? What is back propagation algorithm and explain its working? What are the variants of back propagation algorithms? Like these questions they will ask. If you prepare all these questions, it's enough guys. Yeah, you will here you will find 500 data science questions. In these 4 PDFs, you will find 500 data science questions. If you prepare these 500 questions, it's enough, guys. You can get the job 100%. 100% I can say you will get the job. Just prepare all this question. Just prepare about your projects. Then attend the interview. You will get the job. Present, I am working with multiple projects. I will explain all my projects in coming videos. I am preparing topic-wise interview questions. I will upload that video soon. Please like this video, share this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. I am providing all these PDFs in my Telegram channel.